tied with white cloth.
If you are a neighbor, you are not invited here. Leave here. Then you leave. Oh yeah. Or you
will. Yeah. Carry that one you tie with white cloth.
Let's go. Let's go with that one. Then carry this one. Carry this one with you. Carry this one. Remove this one, okay? Carry it. Remove. Yeah, carry it and follow us. Carry both this one. This one you tie with this thing. This with this. Come on there. Carry this one. Let's go. Yeah. This is a
0.5 million naira cash and the extra 2.5 million naira cash, making it a total of 16 million. So I couldn't do anything on my own. I had to consult members of the Shanamite family. I have to talk to them because we stopped anything recovering of money. We stopped it. So, but I spoke to them and I kept advising people here, if you have complaint, you want them to recover money for you, search their platform, our platform on Facebook, the Shanamite family. That's different from Governor Eziokwu. It is a duly registered organization, but maybe you've not heard me talk about it. The chairperson is Quincy Travel and Tour. Chibeze is the vice. They have the executives and all, many, it functions. They have a good number of membership, physical. So I had to consult them, took permissions from them, and I was asked to go ahead myself. So I called that very native doctor on a live section like this. I spoke to him. I said, sir, look at, somebody brought complaint like this. The man, all of you were on this live section then. The man said, after I'm going to talk to people, because if some people, many of you need to have sense. Like the lady in question, I had to caution her. You and your family members, you guys have this kind of money. Instead of you to go and use it and do business, you will get 16 million Nigerians. No wonder these guys can throw money about. And these guys, they lucky, no yebu. Some of them would have pied you. So the other night I was driving. The other night you saw me on video that we were driving. That same night I came. I was in Anambra. You didn't know. I came that same night to Anambra. And you know what? These native doctors, they don't have control power. Anything I tell you, go and check it very well. You may be angry now, there's no problem. But with time, you will understand. Brothers, do you know that this native doctor, I have sent people, after that day I vowed on camera that I would deal with him. I've sent people like twice to him. From Port Harcourt, they went there. Then there's another young man who also did well. He's also based in Anambra, he did well. That guy, I beg our chairperson, Quincy Travel and I beg members of the Shanamite family. That guy deserves to be our member. The guy is too good. While I was on live section that day, the guy chatted me and said if we need any information about this guy, and this is what he does to people, I should reach out to him. So I thought it was a joke. I gave the guy a trial. I first sent the guy to him.
A lot is happening.
I asked the guy to go there, stay with him, see a picture. This native doctor was there. Somebody came and snapped him pictures, sat with him, gave him money. He did AFA. Today, when you see them on social media, they are powerful. They are too strong on social media. Physical. Obro chocho, obro toto, arosige, meja kama buria. Meja kama buria. Tufuya, what is not there? Our pastor name now. Okay, I will with glory, but it's not. There's nothing there. Don't give your money. Forget these people. Scammers. And what power? How they roll with these people? Many of them were scammers. I will post this video. I'll just wait so that we can call on the attention of the governor. So many things we saw in his shrine. So many things. The Governor Charles Soludo, some of you should tag him.
Those people.
So many things we attached to his shrine.
Do you know Kitty?
So many things. These guys commit. If you see the village where this shrine is, inside. The police did a very good job, actually, but they needed to conduct more search there. They would have seen more things. You are committing crime. You are committing crime as a native doctor, and you will still have the effrontery to threaten people. How? Before you threaten people, make sure there's no skeleton in your cupboard. Make sure there are no skeletons in your cupboard. Do you know that this native doctor went as far as threatening the lady's father when the lady's father called? Let me also tell you, the lady in question, it was on this platform they complained. For those of you who doesn't know what we do, I and my team, we've been here before, we came back again. Nobody pays us. Nobody, no kobo. We've never. The lady, she's alive. We don't ask for any kobo. Anyone we want to do, we'll do it wholeheartedly. I was touched when I called this native doctor on the phone and spoke to him. He bad the call and thought nothing will happen, which is very, very wrong. You don't scam Nigerians like this.
They go about intimidating them.
Professor Charles Soludo, I'm going to post videos and mention the police where the guy is now. Do you remember? Go, that's it. So I will post a short video, possibly blunt his face. The way I do blogging before and the way I do now is no longer the same. It's no longer the same because of the things I know, the things I'm exposed to. So there are things I can no longer do. So you see to it, don't carry your money. This young lady, you gave a native doctor 16 million naira. The native doctor and the guy said the native doctor doesn't have sense. Do you know? Guys, do you know that as I speak to you now, the native doctor is in his account out of 16 million naira. Now while they are interrogating him, the native doctor out of the 16 million naira has spent the whole money. It's only 300,000 naira that is left in his account. These are people, when you see them on social media, they will talk, blah, 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 blah. 300,000 out of 16 million naira. He even bought a new car. He bought a new car. Maga don't pay. If you see them making noise, it will look as if they will have pass it. Many of them don't know how to write their names. These are the kinds of people. If you're a native doctor, these are the syndicates. If you are genuine, this one is one of the syndicates that has been causing problems. That's why some people don't longer trust you. AJ to pastor go wayo. I bet to native doctor go wayo. That's why I tell people, start solving your problem individually and stop supporting evil. As he is there, he has his own followers, he has his own people who loves him. Even at this point, 16 million naira only got the money already. You only have 300,000 as I speak to you. Look at the poor boy. 16 million. Go and ask him what he did with 16 million naira. He will just go and buy a car. If he doesn't have borehole in his father's house, he will find a way to fix borehole. Out of his 4 accounts, the other one has 5,000 naira. The main account has only 300,000. If I for your corner, you can say now for. People should stop being foolish. People should stop being foolish. Invest your money. Go and put your money somewhere. Put your money into a useful thing. It will yield result. The same result. The same go you want. The same speed you want now. During the time, and people can wash. How do they wash regular cut? They started doing a cut. Now, when they eat your money, they will send you. I'm adding English and I'm adding Igbo because of Facebook. They'll order you so that they will use it to perfect the last sacrifice. If you go and on your way coming, it is still them that will bucknose you. Police because they know what they are doing for you. It will not work. You go to jail and stay. By the time you come, before you come out from that ritual murder case, it will take you like 15-16 years. Wouldn't it be better that 15-16 years now, go there and serve somebody? Just use only 9 years or 6 years or 7 years, serve somebody. They will say to you, you can still grow rich. People will not listen. Quick money. As all of you are jumping to Ngobala, what you want is money. You don't even want Jesus. You just want it. Okay, my mom always sing, vanity upon vanity, my Bible tells me so. Living your life without being righteous, it is vanity upon vanity. Then me, I turn it another way. Vanity upon vanity, ka ihe nkuwa gabo, ibasi ego mani werundugi. It is vanity upon vanity, vanity upon vanity. My mom told me so. Living your life without conscience, it is vanity upon vanity. All of these things you do, you support all manner of evil. Why? Because you want to make money. I want you to check some of these our brothers. It doesn't matter. They can say anything. They can bully you. They can fight you. They can even fight the truth. It doesn't matter. What matters is when I remember how they will end. Now this car still they go, him no go break down. You can't harm the car. I don't say give him chikora hand chachibo na boot. The ones who could carry. Chika na boot moto mna. Gaje ukwambata na shrine again for pushia those nonsense. Those your editing and the kashre here. I don't care. When you run on social media, you make noise, you don't even have license. When you are now. They want her license. Then two, if they are issuing license, the state government in Anambra should look into this. Professor Charles Soludo, His Excellency, even the governor of Imo State, the governor of Abia State, the whole Southeast, they should curtail the activities of some native not just some, all of them. I'm not against anyone's religion or whatever you believe in. But at least it should be regulated so that we will be able to know what these guys are doing. How many years did you learn it? How did you start? What has been your record in your place? Because if you curtail the activities of these native doctors, I want to assure you that the insecurity will still climb down immediately. Because many of them had the confidence, right? One or dish. While you will still see. Yes, you see they will bring their corpses. So me, I'm even concerned and pained when I see that the police lift up the corpse of a young person with a dish all over his body. And yet, we take it for 7 hours, yet, some of them at the end of the day, he has had a shootout with police severally. Police did not defeat him at the end of the day. Local vigilante. Doesn't matter what you support right now. Go ahead, enjoy it. Well, that's why I kept saying these things. When you see bloggers make video, when you see many of them make videos, or they are in support of one thing or the other, go and check. They are making that video because they want to earn a living. They just want to feed well. Outside that content they want to create, just that relevancy they want to create on social media, what else do they do? They got nothing doing. They have no job doing. They come around men of God because of what they will get. They come around anybody they come close to, but just call them for a selfless service. They will not. For me to leave Port Harcourt, come to a far state upon investigation and all that, you should know what it takes. I had to drive down. Some of the times I may not be able to come, but brothers or my team, they will come, take their time, do findings and all that, then raise all the necessary steps and all that. So they will come and help you. That's why we don't just report a matter to police. We don't just raise a petition to police. We will join them, we will monitor, we will do our best. If you don't issue the case spiritually, we will follow you one-on-one. Kids like we saw Juju pass Juju. Aka karere aka. So we will make sure now in Yorugi very, very well. Go this way, please. Just straight. So we'll make sure we'll follow you sequentially and solo-wise your ROC. By the time go, it's not this one. By the time we get to you, we'll be able to do an excellent job. That's what we do. We love you. If you're a native doctor, we love you. If you do what's right, we love you. We won't be against you. I'm not a mad person. And I gave you that respect. I call you. That's how I do. Anybody you see me drag, say, oh, defraud or mad, I will call you on the phone. This is a simple thing. It is a simple thing. When I call you on the phone, we'll tell you, so person say, le. And you know fraud is fraud. We'll call you, give you that respect. It is left for you to find a way to settle with that person. Or give you the money. So far you've agreed. That's good. That's good. You don't defraud. Or ige I say jiwata. So I am piabreba. Or some of them have a man over your head threatening what the person. Stop going to these criminal native doctors. Sometimes people that takes you to them are their partners. As I am, when Wahala was arrested, I kept quiet all along because I was waiting to see the evidences the government will find, and hence they could not find any. I had to start agitating that he should be released. Hence you could not do an excellent findings, investigations before you go into an arrest. Then what's the need of keeping the person in custody? It doesn't make sense to me. As if you want to punish the person with your own or under your own private law. No, sir. So these ones now that we can see evidence, police should do it accordingly. They should handle it professionally. That's how it should be. So if you carry your money, the same goes to you that every day you are sleeping in church. You are being scammed, you don't know. I know it will be difficult for you to accept, but you are being scammed. The truth is that you are being scammed. The difference between them and this native doctor you see, many of them, is that the native doctor does his own in the bush and it looks scary. Because if you see, you gotta get some money, okay? If you see those red things, if you see those red wrapper, they kill bites and just sprinkle the blood on it, you start being afraid. You feel on a neighbor. And of course, the world today, many of you like neatness. That's why you don't want to go to them. It's not as if you're a good person, but just that you don't want to go to a dirty place. That's why you've not gone to their shrine. And the little time you've also gone there, you were also scammed. Then in the other hand, you go to church because somebody gave a testimony and lifted a microphone and said that he became a billionaire in 2 months without a job. That's why you are in my church. That's why you are jumping up and down for a mere testimony. And you believe him. And let me tell you, the word believe. The word believe. I learned something recently from somebody on social media. The man said that the word believe is not an assurance. That I believe you. You understand? It's not true. That's not the last assurance that this thing actually happened, or that you are whom you have posed yourself to be. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So you believe somebody is that you are not too sure, but you just believe because you like the person and the person has convinced you. Believe has to go with conviction. This person has convinced you. But that's not true. This is not the actual truth. This is not how it should be. Check it. So that's why you got to believe somebody. I believe and I saw. Is it the same? That you saw this with your eyes. That you saw this with your eyes and you believe. Which one is more authentic? I saw. I saw. About transport, okay? You tell me to a dibia or call power in no get. When you got to that place, you believed that what he did for you will work. But you saw with your eyes that this man is building houses with your money. With the monies he scammed people. The only thing I want you to believe is that in your eyes saw that it is possible that somebody can scam you or can hustle from your own pocket and build a house. I saw and I believe. Belief takes conviction. Do you know why when people talk about Jesus, they said when they want to lead you to Christ, they want to mark you as an official believer, they tell you, you say Lord Jesus, you repeat after him. He said, I believe that you died on the cross of Calvary for my sin. They want you to stamp it upon conviction that I believe. Not that you saw. Because people want you to believe them that they may see chance either to harm you. I don't want to destroy. There are things I can't teach on social media because it will affect you. Sometimes after listening to me, you might not even trust your wife or your husband. Believe is one expensive word that shouldn't just come ordinarily. Do you know why you give people money to buy a car for you? You saw on social media, they show you where they are offloading vehicles. Because you saw with your eyes, therefore it stepped down from your eyes what you saw and gone to believe, and hence it arrives at believe. Then you are convinced. It's not everything you must believe. So believe and I saw is not the same thing. Go and invest your money. If without we hearing this story of 16 million naira, would you have believed in this life? That money would have gone. But this man will pay now by force. And if the state government intervenes safe, he will go to jail and rest. Because on Kiamu evidence of fraud. Imana, this man give me that paper. I want to see how professional the police will handle this thing. Do you know that this native doctor, after scamming the lady, He now told the lady, go put the lady Ala. Actually discharge the lady. Then this is the paper. He forged the paper again. Forgery. Forgery. He forged the paper. This man forged it. Just to scam that, to clear. And even forged, the man went as far as forging a lawyer's stamp and signature. Look at everything. Oh yeah, yeah. He forged the stamp. If you see the length, the length people goes whenever they want to defraud people. He had to do. His name is Mr. Nana. No, the person he forged this, the landed documents for, with his name is Mr. Nana. This was how this man now told this lady that he bought land for this lady. This thing never existed. This thing never existed. Now, do you know that upon all these evidences you see, and many more evidences that I cannot show you right now, many more evidences. So at the end of the day, this is how they scam people. Yeah. After telling you these things now, would that make you to hear? There are some of you, your pastor collected your car one-on-one at the counseling room some years ago. You can't even tell them what you saw. Some of you, pastor some of you, for both the pastor just church members. Church members, one or two church members. And there are ways women behave. Once your wife sits in the church and you sit there as a man, and your fellow men are donating 1 million, 2 million, 20 million, 50 million, your husband will be, your wife will be looking at you to be, she'll be seeing you like Tozo. Don't be your fellow men, they give this money here. Don't be your fellow men, they give money. And you just sit down. If you get back home that day, she starts talking to you anyhow because for Chagogi now, you don't 20,000 NKT, you don't have. In fact, while coming to church, she paid your transport to come. She paid for you to come. And because of the kinds of money she sees, the cars she sees in the church, sometimes your wife feel ashamed, you don't know. And I pity her. Because she thought she has seen it all on you or in you. Okay, Jakuta say no, okay, Chidemma. Okay, Chukukamma. So sometimes the days you don't go to church, if she can be ashamed of you all because you could not give money in the church or you don't have a car, the days you did not go to church with her, she saw somebody who gave her a lift to church. And that was how the men baby donor was here. Some of you, your wife comes to church early, not because she wants to come and serve God though, or because so I got church early. Some of you now, your wife will left Lagos to my community. There will be in one hotel now. They close through your wife prayers. And the one thing, how God, what makes God omnipotent, omnipresent? You will be at my comment section now, of Eziokwu, and I will keep quiet because another person you will learn in the hard way. That's it. I'm a noble one, your wife on one hotel in Owerri now. Ngalienu, Imam di Ebe. He choro o meragi video. Singing the church. After church, what happens? All our village again. Okay, bono. If we na call, she will answer. If we a video call, she will face one side. Honey, baby, we are going for prayer. And I check it by here. Chukuzagi, daddy, for him and allow child. What's yes, the ta. I have a them. When you also have when you give Nabala, you wouldn't know. So, Adi Amacha, to God be the glory. Do not give your money to any native doctor. Don't give any money, any of your money. Not to talk of 16 million. Some of you paid 2 million. Some of you, like this lady, she couldn't talk until somebody convinced her, her elder brother convinced her that they should complain to Governor Eziokwu. And they complained. I didn't actually want to do anything. And oh yeah, them. Oh yeah, them. Governor Eziokwu is my name. Thank you. So, just here, Nike, invest your money. Thank you and goodbye. I'll bring you updates shortly. For now, goodbye, that I may go home.